Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to delete UK keyboard or United Kingdom keyboard in Windows 10. Okay, so you can delete the UK keyboard from your language list in Windows 10. So I will show you. That is very easy process. So let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so first simply you have to click on your Windows start button and now go to the setting. Just click on this gear icon, then this window will be open. Now just go to the this time and language option, just tap on it. Okay, after that here you have to find the language option, which is third option. Just click on it, then you can see the language, which is in my case I have United Kingdom keyboard and another keyboard. Okay, you can see both language here. This is my keyboard language, and same this is my keyboard language. This is a shortcut of this option. Okay, so now if I click on it, you can see there is a no remove option. It is disabled and I can't remove it. Okay, but if you want to remove it, you have to make primary language another language. You have to make primary. So I have one more language here, so I just make it as a primary. Just click on up, so it will be come up. Now you can just click on it. Now you can here you can see the remove option has been appeared. You can delete, click on it, it will be removed. Okay, so if you have any only one language, which is United Kingdom here, so you can add language from here. Just insert, okay, enter the any language name and just click on next, and just you have to install the language. After that it will be add here. After that you make this first language like this, and you can delete it. Okay, from here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.